Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset your PS5 console if you want to return or if you want to resell it. Okay, it's very simple. Before that, just take backup of your console. So go to settings and here go to this system, and here come to reset options, and here tap on this reset your console and then tap reset. If you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted from your PS5. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. I'm going to give continue. Restarting your PS5.
PS5 is restarted. So just it is launched with the initial setup. So we need to press this PS button and then choose language. And if you have Wi-Fi connections, right, just connect it, or you can do this later. So select this, do this later. You can skip it. You can adjust this display area. You can adjust the HDR and select the time zone. I'm choosing optimized experience and I agree, confirm, and the username. If you want, you can log in, then confirm and continue. So welcome to PlayStation 5. That's it. So the reset is successfully done. So this is called simple reset. So you need not to go in safe mode to reset your PS5 console. So that's it, friends. In order to work with this disk drive, we need to restart the PS5 console. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video form. Thank you. Bye and take care.